Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore all things health and wellness. We all want to feel great, don't we? Feeling good isn't just about looking good, it's about having the energy and vitality to enjoy life to the fullest. Like having enough energy to do everything we want, whether it's running in the park, playing with our kids, or just getting through a busy workday without feeling exhausted. And a big part of that is our immune system. Our immune system is like the unsung hero of our body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us healthy. It's like our body's own superhero team, fighting off everything that tries to make us ill. Imagine having a team of superheroes inside you, always on guard, always ready to protect you. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I've learned some cool tricks to help your immune system out. These are simple, everyday habits that can make a big difference. And guess what? Nature has some amazing ingredients that can make it even stronger. We're talking yummy fruits, colourful veggies, and all the goodness they bring, and exciting herbs and spices. These natural wonders are packed with nutrients that can boost your immune system and keep you feeling your best. In this video, we'll make some easy recipes that are both tasty and good for you. These recipes are designed to be simple so you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. They're like giving your immune system a high five. Imagine starting your day with a delicious smoothie that's not only refreshing but also packed with immune-boosting ingredients. So, let's get started looking after ourselves. These remedies can be a fun and rewarding way to take control of your health. Remember, a healthy body truly starts from within. By making mindful choices about what we put in our bodies, we can support our immune system and overall well-being. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button for more. Let's start with something almost everyone loves, a good cup of tea. But not just any tea. We're talking about a special blend that not only tastes amazing, but also does wonders for your health. Imagine a tea that warms you up from the inside out, soothing your senses and boosting your immune system at the same time. This is a special concoction made from ingredients known for their health benefits. This tea is packed with natural goodness that can help strengthen your immune system, making it a perfect drink for any time of the year. Let's talk about the ingredients. First up, we have fresh ginger. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. You'll need a piece of fresh ginger about 2 inches long. Next, we have fresh turmeric. Turmeric is another powerful ingredient with anti-inflammatory properties. You'll need a piece of turmeric similar in size to the ginger. And of course, we can't forget the lemon. 1 juicy lemon will add a refreshing citrus flavor and a boost of vitamin C. Finally, we have honey. Honey not only adds sweetness, but also has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. You can add as much honey as you like to suit your taste. Now, let's move on to the preparation. First, wash your ginger and turmeric thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Once they're clean, grate the ginger and turmeric into tiny pieces. This will help release their flavors and beneficial compounds into the tea. Next, boil some water in your kettle. Make sure the water is hot enough to extract all the goodness from the ginger and turmeric. Once the water is bubbling, pour it over the grated ginger and turmeric in a cup or teapot. The hot water will help to infuse the flavors and nutrients into the tea. Now take your lemon and squeeze the juice into the cup. The lemon juice will add a zesty flavor and a dose of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. Finally, for the best part, add some honey. The honey will not only sweeten the tea, but also add its own health benefits. Stir the mixture well until the honey dissolves completely. This will ensure that all the ingredients are well combined and the flavors are evenly distributed. Let the tea sit for 5 to 10 minutes so all the flavors come out. This steeping time allows the ginger, turmeric and lemon to fully infuse into the water, creating a delicious and health-boosting tea. And there you have it, a soothing elixir that's not only delightful to drink but also packed with health benefits. Enjoy your cup of wellness. Sometimes you need a quick boost for your immune system. That's where this shot comes in. It's like a super fast health boost. Here's what you'll need. Fresh orange juice from about 2 oranges, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper if you like spicy things. First, squeeze the juice from your oranges. Get a small glass and add the grated ginger, turmeric powder and cayenne pepper if you're using it. Pour the orange juice over the spices. Give it a good stir and drink it all at once. So what makes this shot so powerful? It's all down to the ingredients orange juice. This is full of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. Ginger helps your tummy and fights off bad stuff. Turmeric, this is another super healthy ingredient that's great for your immune system. Cayenne pepper. This is optional, but it can speed up your body's processes and help if you're blocked up. This shot is perfect when you're feeling a bit unwell or worried about getting ill. Elderberry syrup is something people have used for years to fight off colds and flu. This natural remedy has been passed down through generations, and its popularity continues to grow as more people seek out natural and holistic approaches to health. Elderberry syrup is not just a modern trend, it has roots in ancient medicine and has been cherished for its potent health benefits. Elderberries are full of good stuff and can help your immune system. These small, dark berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. They are particularly rich in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Additionally, elderberries contain flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antiviral effects, making them a powerful ally in the fight against colds and flu. This syrup is easy to make and keeps for a long time in the fridge. Ingredients. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a potent remedy that can be used throughout the cold and flu season. The process is straightforward, and the result is a delicious syrup that can be taken by the spoonful or added to drinks for an extra health boost. The ingredients for elderberry syrup are simple and easy to find. You will need 2 cups of elderberries, which can be either dried or fresh. A single cinnamon stick and 5 cloves will add warmth and depth to the flavor, while 4 cups of water will help to extract the beneficial compounds from the berries and spices. Finally, 1 cup of honey will not only sweeten the syrup but also add its own antibacterial properties. First, put the elderberries, cinnamon stick and cloves in a pan with the water. Start by combining the elderberries, cinnamon stick and cloves in a large pan. Pour in the 4 cups of water, making sure that the ingredients are well submerged. This mixture will form the base of your elderberry syrup. Second, heat it gently until it bubbles a little, then cook for about 30 minutes or until there's half as much liquid. Place the pan on the stove and heat it gently. You want to bring the mixture to a simmer, not a full boil, to preserve the beneficial compounds in the elderberries. Allow it to cook for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. The liquid should reduce by half, concentrating the flavors and nutrients. Third, pour the mixture through a sieve to get rid of the berries and spices. After the mixture has reduced, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then pour it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a bowl to strain out the elderberries and spices. This step ensures that your syrup is smooth and free of any solid particles. Next, let the liquid cool a bit, then stir in the honey until it dissolves. Once the liquid has cooled to a warm but not hot temperature, it's time to add the honey. Stir in the honey until it is fully dissolved. The warmth of the liquid will help the honey to mix in smoothly, creating a thick, sweet syrup. Finally, pour the finished syrup into a clean glass jar or bottle, seal it tightly and store it in the fridge, where it will keep for several weeks. Whenever you feel the first signs of a cold or flu, or simply want to boost your immune system, take a spoonful of this homemade elderberry syrup. It's a time-tested remedy that can help keep you healthy all season long. This smoothie tastes like sunshine. It's full of vitamin C and other amazing things for your immune system. You'll just need 2 oranges, 1 pink grapefruit, a handful of spinach, and a few sprigs of mint. To prepare, peel the oranges and grapefruit and take them apart. Next, put the fruit, spinach, and mint in your blender. Then blend it until it's smooth and creamy. This smoothie is a great way to start your day or have as a healthy snack. GAP3S. Hey everyone, let's talk about herbal teas. They've been helping people stay healthy for ages. A really good one for your immune system is ginger and turmeric tea. It's super easy to make. You'll need some fresh ginger, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and some honey to make it sweet. First, peel the ginger and grate it into small pieces. Then boil some water in a kettle or on the hob. Add the ginger, turmeric, and black pepper to the boiling water. Let it simmer like a gentle boil for about 10 minutes. Pour the tea through a sieve into your mug. Add some honey if you like it sweet. This warm, cozy tea is great for your immune system. It can also help if your tummy isn't feeling great. It's perfect for those chilly days to keep you strong and healthy. Enjoy! These recipes are a great way to help your immune system, but remember, being healthy is about more than just food and drink. Make sure you get enough sleep, try not to get too stressed, and move about regularly. All these things help keep your immune system strong. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe for more natural health remedies.